We have the Airsoft Tactical Chest Rig, a versatile and functional piece of tactical gear that is designed to allow the user to access their magazines quickly and easily. The chest rig is equipped with built-in kangaroo-style magazine pouches that can hold up to 6 RM4 mags and 6 pistol magazines, making it an ideal option for military personnel, law enforcement officers, or anyone who needs to carry multiple magazines in addition to the mag pouches. The Airsoft Tactical Chest Rig also features adjustable and removable flaps on the pistol pouches, which allow the user to keep small accessories such as a knife or multi-tool close at hand while training or on duty. But that's not it. The chest rig also has an interior mesh pocket for safe storage of other items close to the body.